Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to an iPod. Many older iPod models, such as the Classic, Nano, and Shuffle, do not feature integrated Bluetooth technology. Therefore, to enjoy wireless audio with your Sony headphones, you will need a small, external Bluetooth audio transmitter. This device plugs directly into your iPod's standard 3.5mm headphone jack, enabling a wireless connection. First, select a suitable Bluetooth audio transmitter. Look for one that is compact and specifically designed for audio output, featuring a standard 3.5mm audio jack. Before connecting, ensure the transmitter is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Once charged, simply plug the transmitter firmly into your iPod's headphone port until it clicks into place. Next, prepare your Sony headphones for pairing. Usually, this involves pressing and holding the power or Bluetooth button for about 5 to 7 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see a flashing indicator light. Then, activate the pairing mode on your Bluetooth transmitter, often by pressing its main button. The two devices should automatically find and connect to each other within a few seconds, indicated by a steady light on both. With your Sony headphones now wirelessly connected, you can begin enjoying your music. Adjust the volume either directly on your iPod or using the controls on your headphones for optimal listening. This setup provides excellent audio quality and offers you the freedom to move up to 10 meters away from your iPod without losing your connection. This is truly the only effective way to achieve wireless audio with older iPod models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.